If you haven't made the move from Coil to Rotary machine yet because you still haven't found a machine that perfectly blends the elusive Coil experience with the Rotary machine convenience, stop scrolling, turn on the sound, and check this out. The Betty V2 from Deke Harms is a Rotary machine that's so strong it thinks it's a Coil machine. And we can sit here in the warehouse and read you the spec sheet all day, but we think you'd rather hear it from the machine builder himself.
Deke Harms here with Harms Manufacturing. I just wanted to take a second and talk about my machine here, the Betty version 2. So let's go over why I made it. I like the platform. I like the impact rotary platform. But every single one I ever tried, they were too small. It sat really high up on the tube. Felt odd. That translates also to a shorter armature bar. Now, if you think about that, if you have a shorter armature bar with a really healthy stroke on a machine, that tip of that bar is going to have a real rotational motion to kicking out your needle bar, causing spitting issues and some inconsistencies at times. This bar, massive bar. So at the tip, that bar, it's a lot more linear. And that translates, yes, less spitting, but also a wider usable range. Not only can you pack really well, line really well, but turn that stroke knob and slow it down and you're gonna get some really awesome whips. You're utilizing that longer bar, as a lever. You're getting a mechanical advantage there because that drive system too is so far back. That long bar, you get some force. And then the last thing about the long bar is I believe, this is my opinion, that being that it's so linear, I think there's less trauma. It's so freakishly effective. It's so fast to saturate, and yet you wipe it and you're good.
Fast saturation and less skin trauma, that's a win-win. But how does it hold up as your daily driver? Let's let tattooist David Brule dial it in for us.
And so how does it run? It runs great. It has a consistent force throughout this whole stroke. I'd say it runs a lot like a well-tuned coil, but with more power on the back end. I saw Deke's work, and he does really nice tattoos, which is a really good sign for a machine builder. So it's actually a really nice weighted, not too heavy, not too light kind of machine. The build feels really solid. The tube vise, they do a really good job of easily holding a disposable tube in place. It runs really nice. It makes lining very easy. It's nice to have a machine that's not just crazy aggressive, that's built to do traditional work. This will definitely be a regular part of my tattoo arsenal. It's a joy to use. Thanks so much, Deke. This is rad.
With artist feedback like that, you know the machine builder got it right. So when you're ready to stop compromising between the power of a Coil machine and the convenience of a Rotary machine, pick up a Betty V2, available right now on eikondevice.com. Here's an insider tip for you. This machine is available in some awesome custom colors. Reach out to our customer service team and let them track one down for you.